Hey guys, welcome back to my beauty stash, or welcome if it is your first time here. Hello, my name is Steff. I would love to have you become part of our makeup family. So be sure to click on that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching. Today's video is all about a spring makeup look, getting us ready for the warm weather, the beautiful flowers, and just everything leading up to spring. I was gifted a very generous PR package from We Makeup. So we are going to be doing pretty much almost a full face of We Makeup today. This is going to be a total brand first impression for me. I have seen some of my favorite YouTubers try We Makeup in the past. I've heard amazing things about their mascara and their lipsticks in particular, but We Makeup sent me a lot of goodies, a lot of lipsticks, makeup brushes, eyeshadow palette, mascara. I think there's some liners in here. We're just gonna go through all of it, guys. Now, I do want to mention that on the We Makeup website, they will do a We Makeup test. It's like a color analysis, and all you do is answer 4 questions, and they are gonna match you with the set that best suits your skin tone, your features, all of that good stuff. The set that I was matched up with is this spring set. So I am super excited. This is like a custom kit pretty much that they sent me and that you guys are able to get as well. We Makeup is an Italian-based indie makeup brand. They are located in Milan. They have been in business for 50 years. They have been doing cosmetics for 50 years. I had no idea. I thought they were a relatively young brand, but no, they've been around for 50 years. So I'm pretty sure that these things are going to be amazing. They're all made in Italy, and I'm just so excited that they gifted me these amazing products. Now guys, I obviously have the rest of my makeup done. All of the products that I used will be linked and listed in the description box of today's video, along with the We Makeup website, so that in case you like any of these goodies, you are welcome to purchase them. Some of those links are going to be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping through them, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Let's get started, guys. I am so excited for this. I cannot wait to try We Makeup for the first time. Y'all want to see this spring makeup look inspired by We Makeup? Keep on watching. All right, guys, so I have one of the lipsticks on already. This is the liquid lipstick in the shade, it's in the shade 15, and it is a matte liquid lipstick. I wanted to do something neutral to start off with, since I don't really know what eye look we're going to create. Now, I do want to show you, this is the makeup palette. This is an empty palette, magnetic palette, and you do have to where you can customize it with different shades on the We Makeup website. They sent me 9 different little shadows that I'm gonna pop in here really quick, but you do get a mirror over here, and this is the palette. So let me pop everything in, and then we're gonna get started creating a spring makeup look. All right, guys, so here is what the palette looks like complete. I think we have a lot of fun shades in here to create a good spring makeup look. I mean, the yellow and blue alone, if that doesn't scream spring, I don't know what does. So I just noticed that I was going through the box, they included a lip plumper. This is the Well Lip Plumper in the shade 1, shade clear. So I'm gonna add some of that on top of the liquid lipstick. Well, that feels really nice. Now, I do, especially when it's a clear lip gloss, I always wipe it off before I put it back in the tube because I want to keep it clear. So there are a few other lip products that I will be swatching after I get done creating this spring eye look for you guys. Now, they did include 2 different eyeliners, a black liquid liner and a brown pencil liner. So I'm going to try and use both in today's video. And of course, we got a mascara. Can't wait to try this. And I do want to show you these brushes. These are their eye brushes that they included. This is a set of 5. This one right here is for brows or eyeliner, whatever you want to do with it. But these are good shapes. These are small detail eye brushes that always come in handy. You always need some small makeup brushes in your stash, especially if you're going to do more detailed looks. So let's get started, guys. I am start off with the yellow. Actually, no, I'm gonna start off with this shade first, kind of like a skin tone shade, and I'm gonna run that like all over the crease, probably even take it up to the brow bone, and then I'm gonna start with the yellow and we'll take it from there. Now I'm gonna do one eye on camera and then one eye off camera just for time purposes, and I'm using the We Makeup blender brush. I love this size. Like, this size is perfect. And again, I'm not going to be really precise with this shade. I kind of just want it to act, you know, as a transition. Just get a shade down. Oh, and those birds are chirping, guys. You see, it is definitely springtime. It's a beautiful day here in South Texas. Ah, perfect for my first day of spring break. We do have a beach really close by, but that beach is packed right now. It is the best beach in Texas, South Padre Island. But people come from all over during spring break. So I went to the beach last weekend for my birthday, actually, and it was perfect. There were some spring breakers, but not that many to where it's uncomfortable. It was just perfect. All right, so that is exactly what I wanted. It's just a very soft wash of color, but that is what I was going for this area. Now I'm going to take the shader brush with the yellow shade on it, and I'm gonna start working that right here. I love a nice yellow inner corner. And this yellow is bright and fun and sunshine. And I'm packing it on right in this area. And then I'm gonna blend, I'm gonna bring in another shade. All right, so perfect inner corner. I'm gonna go back in with the blender brush. I'm just cleaning it off. And I'm gonna take this shade right here and start working that in the crease as well as the outer corner a bit. And guys, the lip plumper, it did tingle, but it's not tingling anymore. It feels really nice and comfortable. I think my lips look a little bit fuller. What do you guys think? This is blending out really well. Like, it's a very, these are very smooth matte shades. I haven't swatched this yet, but I mean, just going by how it's blending, I would imagine they're really like creamy and buttery smooth. I mean, they're made in Italy. Usually products that come out of Italy tend to be really good, really luxurious. Now, as of right now, I think you can only find them on their website, but they do ship worldwide. All right, so I like the way that looks. We're getting some sunset vibes going on. Now with the same brush, I'm just gonna clean it off. I am gonna dip into the dark brown. This one is called, I put the shades in order here. This one is 109. And guys, when you select the spring, or when the We Makeup test selects a set for you, it'll include like all of these shadows. And you'll just arrange them however you want to arrange them in the palette. And of course, you can always, you know, buy additional shades and pop them in here. Whatever you want to do. I'm just focusing this on the outer portion. And then we're going to do some shimmer shades. There is one shade in here in particular that I'm really curious about. This brush, this is a good brush. You're gonna see me use this little brush a lot on my channel just because I use these little brushes quite a bit, especially when you're working with small sections and you don't want the shade to get away from you. You really need to pull for those smaller brushes. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit more of the yellow. The yellow is called shade 147. Now I'm going to go back in with this shade right here. This one is shade 119. All right, now this is the shade that I'm particularly curious about. This shade is 500. So I'm gonna see, get some with my finger. Yeah, that's definitely like a topper shade. Ooh, look at that. And I want that right here in the center. Okay, I'm gonna use a little brush. I'm gonna use this little brush right here. This is the pencil brush. And I'm gonna spray it. So what I do is I pick up the product first and then I spray it with some setting spray. Oh, this is beautiful. Perfect. Going back in with the little blender brush with no additional product, just to blend the edges. Gonna go in with the shader brush with the yellow. All right, so let's move down to the lower lash line, and I'm gonna do this shade right here. I'm gonna do this on the outer portion, and then I'm gonna do the blue towards the inner portion. Now this is shade 302 on the short shader brush. It is a shimmer shade. This type of a brush is perfect for the lower lash line, or even right up here to smudge on the top lash line. Now I'm going to go in with the blue shade. This is 136. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, love that. That would be a beautiful shade on the lid and on the crease as well. I'm just, wanting to try as many shades as I can. I'm gonna go back in with the dark brown matte on the outer corner. Feel like I need to deepen that a little bit. All right, now I have these two shades right here that I need to use. So I think I'm gonna do this shade right here on the inner corner. This one is, what shade is that? That one is shade 203. And I did spray the little pencil brush. All right, I'm gonna clean that brush off and I'm gonna go in with shade 201. I'm gonna do that on the brow bone. Just a little bit up here. All right, guys, now let's add some eyeliner. So I'm gonna do the brown pencil liner. This one is in the shade 2 Amber Brown. Let me just swatch it on the back of my hand. I'm gonna do that down here. I'm gonna tight line. And then I'm gonna go in with the liquid liner. This is the Eyeliner Pen, and this one is in the shade 01. I'm gonna give it a good shake. I like the packaging on it too. And that's what it looks like. This is it looks like it's a brush tip and not a felt tip. I'm just gonna tight line up here. All right, so now I'm gonna give my eyelashes a curl. And let's go into this mascara. This is the More Volume Mascara, and it is in the shade Black. Here is what the little wand looks like. All right, guys, so this is the completed look. I'm gonna pop off camera to finish the left eye, and then I'm gonna come back and we are gonna start swatching some of these lip pencils, lip glosses, and lipsticks. I'll be right back. All right, guys, here is the completed look with my new We Makeup Spring Eyeshadow Palette. I love this. I'm so ready to go back to the beach. Unfortunately, that is not an option for me this week because, like I told you guys, spring break is crazy down at South Padre Island, and that is not the life I am living right now. So I love this. I love this color combination. This is usually a color combination that I gravitate towards. I thought that all of the shades just blended together so well. Absolutely love it. The mascara, I like the little wand on the mascara. I think that's good. The eyeshadow brushes, they go without saying. They are small detail brushes, and I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of them. The liquid eyeliner, I mean, that's a nice black liquid eyeliner. I don't feel like it's totally matte though. I feel like there's a little hint of a sheen to it. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Everybody needs a good brown, dark brown eyeliner, and this one is a good one. This is again the shade Amber Brown. Love it, guys. Now for the lips. I have quite a few lippies to try out for you guys, to swatch for you all. So I'm going to play some music. You guys are going to watch me apply these lip products, and then I will wrap up today's video and share with you all my final thoughts on this We Makeup Spring collection. Alright guys, so all of those lippies swatched amazing. How good is this lip combo right here? The red with these warm beachy tones up here, like a sunset look. I totally love this spring makeup look that We Makeup has been able to provide, from the neutral lipstick that I started off with the clear lip plumping gloss, to this gorgeous red moment. I absolutely love it. Guys, all of the products, there was not a dud in this bunch, and I am so thankful to We Makeup for kindly gifting me these products to try out for you guys. This is my very first time trying We Makeup, and boy, did they make a good first impression. I think if I have to pick my favorite things from everything that I tried, I think I'll have to go to the lips. All of the lips. The liquid lipstick, the bullet lipstick, the plumping lip gloss, this beautiful red gloss that I have on right now, the lip liners, everything. And guys, even though this is a wooden pencil lip liner, it still worked out great. I thought that the two lip liners they included with the set perfectly matched the lippies that they sent me, and everything was just aces. I like the packaging of the bullet lipsticks and of the glosses. I mean, everything, they paid attention to all the details. This is such a fun spring collection to have in your stash. Whether you get a couple pieces or everything, I will have the We Makeup website linked in the description box. So in case anything caught your eye, you are able to pick it up. But I am gonna give We Makeup 2 thumbs up. They made quite the first impression today here in my beauty stash. And guys, don't forget, when you go to the We Makeup website, do that We test. It's that color analysis test. That way it can match you up with the best shades possible that are gonna flatter your skin tone, your hair color, your eyes. It's just 4 questions, really easy. And We Makeup is gonna do all of the guessing work for you. So let me know your thoughts on today's video. What are some of your favorite We Makeup products that you have in your stash? What do you feel I need to try next? Or what were some of your favorites, your standouts from today's video? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink that water. Cheers. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.